Hey friends, welcome back to Crafter Support. My name's Andrea. If you're new, welcome. I upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, and today's video is a haul from Illustrated Faith, which is just the May Bible Study Kit, and it's called Living a Fruitful Life, and I'm really excited to work on this one. If you haven't already, I have my Proverbs study. The last video should already be up for the Proverbs study for you guys. And so I'm going to start this one the following Wednesday. So yeah, I love how this came in the little cardboard papery little holder. I thought that was so cute. And I like the little red like raffia stuff that's in there. It's very cute too. You get a thank you card and it just has some really cute journaling phrases on it. And you could like put this in your Bible if you wanted to. I'm going to be doing things a little differently. If you watched my Proverbs 31 study, I did it in a binder, but this one I'm going to do in my Bible, my actual journaling Bible. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. All right, so this one talks about Galatians 5:22. It says the fruits of the Spirit are love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. It comes with a stamp set, and it's really cute. I love that you can use these stamp sets for so much more than just the labeling of what the Bible study is about. And these are like the cardboard stickers, so they're thicker. I mean, that's what I call them, is cardboard, but they're probably not cardboard. They're just like a little bit thicker cardstock. What if we say that? They're more cardstocky, and they're really, really pretty. The colors are really nice. You get 2 sets of these, so you get one with all of the little sayings on them, and then you get another one with the like what do you call it? The sentiments and things in it. So it's like fruitful living, surrender, love, so beautiful, welcome here, or you are welcome here. I will build my life upon your love. Really, really pretty set. And then you get the actual Bible study part of it. And I love how it's in like this kind of miniature book. And it has like a nice hi ya friend thing that you can read. And then it goes from prayer, from Shauna or Shayna, I'm not sure how she says it. And then it goes into love and all of the different fruits of the Spirit. So I'm excited to work on this. I've done a fruits of the Spirit study in the past, like probably 8 or 9 years ago. So I'm excited to do a new one and just see where I'm at and how I've grown through my studies, to see what differences I have with this new study that I'm doing. And like I said, I want to do this one in my Bible, and I'm going to be pulling different scriptures throughout so I can do a bunch of different pages. I'm going to be using this ephemera, plus I want to pull in some paint. I haven't done that with you guys yet, but I do like to use mixed media in my journaling, and I want to start incorporating that with you guys. So you'll have to let me know what you think of using mixed media with your Bible. So between markers and paint, and I love doing watercolor, so I might do some watercolor with this first study, because I just love the colors in this kit. And I love the little green little tub that comes with it. I'm definitely going to be keeping all of my stuff in there and just leave it sitting out on my table for just like inspiration and things. So I just quickly show you here all of the little pieces that come with it. There's stars and different types of fruit and flowers and some cute sayings, and of course leaves. I love the greenery that they usually have with their kits. Plus there's a bunch of printables. I bought them. I just haven't printed them out yet because I'm not sure if I want to use them on like sticker paper or if I just want to do them on cardstock and adhere them into my Bible. I sometimes worry using stickers because if I don't place it properly, it tears my pages, and I don't want that to happen. Where with cardstock, I can really make sure that it's lined up properly the way I want it to be lined up. So yeah, I just thought this was really cute, and you get so much. I will put a link below to this. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. I just really like Illustrated Faith's products, and I like having everything together coordinating. So definitely, if you guys are new, like just put a comment down below. Let me know you're new. If you Bible study, tell me what your like journal. Tell me what your favorite way to journal is, like in a notebook or in a binder, or do you go directly into maybe a Bible journal, like how you like to do it. Do you use paint? Do you use stickers? Like, I'm really interested to see what everybody uses, and I'm always looking for ideas. I love Pinterest for ideas, and I just thought this study with the colors for spring would just be really, really fun to work with. So that's everything. Like, you get so much in this kit, and like I said, I've only ever purchased the April kit, I think, for no, I think this is the third kit that I've purchased through Illustrated Faith. I usually do the print and pray stuff, but I really like these kits. They're so beautiful. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was just a quick haul, and we'll be working on this starting in May. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.